Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open the editor and act now. Set the coordinate format to decimal degrees or DMS so data matches other systems. You must import your photos and the GPX or KML track next. Batch import saves time when you have many files. Make sure camera metadata reading is enabled, and if timestamps drift, sync them within 1 to 2 seconds so automatic geotagging places images correctly. This step prevents map misalignment later. Once images are linked, run automatic geotagging to assign GPS points by timestamp and inspect the map overlay immediately to confirm clustering looks correct. If an image is mislinked, manually drag its point or type the exact latitude/longitude to correct it. This preserves spatial accuracy. Also apply camera model corrections and lens offset parameters, and adjust elevation where necessary so markers align with real-world terrain. These steps refine precision for downstream exports. Choose your export. Write geotags into image files, save sidecar. XMP or export an updated. KML/GPX for GIS systems. Make a backup before overriding originals. When saving, batch write metadata to maintain consistency across files and confirm export settings such as coordinate datum. If many points are offset, troubleshoot by checking time offsets, time zone settings, and device clock drift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.